Okay, here we have a nastier integral, and if this was a miscellaneous problem, you would probably be questioning if you could even pull off integration by parts, because it throws you off immediately. And that's the whole point of the playlist, is seeing how powerful each technique is, how important each technique is in solving problems you never thought you could have used it on, at least upon first inspection. And in this case, you trying to build your visualization, you would set your u equal to x or your u equal to the ln. I really don't want to integrate ln of 4 plus x squared, right? But if we look closely, before we even do any of that, the trick of the problem is a u sub, because the argument of the natural log, when I set it equal to u, I get a 2x. So I get a factor of 2x on the denominator, and that cancels this x. And I end up just having the integral of the ln of u. And that greatly simplifies the problem, and it's solved. And we know the ln of u is just going to be u ln of u minus u. So we get our solution is 1/2 4 plus x squared ln of 4 plus x squared minus 4 plus x squared. And we're done. This problem was introduced because when we see an integral for the first time, and we have a flood of ideas and questions, and can I do this, can I do that, one of the first things you should think is, can I do a u sub? Because if you're spending all this time trying to figure out how to manipulate the integrand, but the whole time you could have just set one equal to u and it cancels the other function within the integrand. It's gonna bite you. So from now on, uh, it's very important to see if you could do a u substitution right off the bat when looking at an integral. That should be one of the first things that comes to mind.